Customer move this festive season, the government has made sure that tur dal is available for 120 rupees per kg at Kendriya Bhandar and Safal stores. This is one of the many steps taken by the government to contain prices of pulses. In a high-level review meeting that took place today, the government gave a green signal to further import 2,000 tons of tur dal and 1,000 tons of urad dal. Here is a ground report filed by my colleague Arun Sharma.
Meet Mrs. Kumar. Mrs. Kumar has come to buy urad dal, which is available at Kendriya Bhandar stores for 120 rupees per kg. The precious dal is yet to make its appearance in Safal outlets, but will be available starting Tuesday morning.
Right now we are at the Kendriya Bhandar. Well, as you can see, the tur urad dal is available for 120 rupees per kg and all are welcome over here. Now after the government's efforts and intervention, this dal prices which were almost 200 rupees per kg, now you can buy dal or tur dal or urad dal at 120 rupees per kg. Let's try and explore that what exactly is available over here. Now government last week also has made some interventions and is directly purchasing from the farmers in order to create the buffer stock. Well, this is the urad dal. As you can see, the printed price is also 120 rupees per kg, which is written on this. Now during this festive season, this is a great sigh of relief for the consumers because you can see the dal here in the Kendriya Bhandar or the Safal store is available for 120 rupees per kg.
इससे फर्क पड़ेगा काफ़ी. जैसे हम डोसा बना रहे थे, सामर वड़ा बना रहे थे, तो सामर की दाल अरहर की दाल तो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी थी. अब उससे जो सस्ती जो मिलेगी हमको, उससे काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ेगा.
कस्टमर आ रहे हैं, सुबह से काफ़ी सेल हो गई है और स्टॉक भी हमारे पास काफ़ी पड़ा हुआ है और ख़त्म होने से पहले और स्टॉक आ जाएगा हमारे पास में. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कस्टमर को सब मिल रही है.
बहुत ही राहत मिलेगी. एक कम यहाँ 200 हो रहा है तो वहाँ तो 120 तो राहत की बात ही है.
की बात तो है. कल ही मैं लेकर आया 200 रुपये किलो, तो आज मुझे पता चला कि यहाँ पर मिल रही है दाल ना, तो मैं इमीडिएट मैंने कहा 2 किलो ले लेता हूँ.
Explanation, comfortable, economical for us.
So what exactly has the government done so far to make pulses more affordable? In a high-level meeting, government has given green signal to further import 2,000 tons of tur dal and 1,000 tons of urad dal, imposing stock limits on pulses held by licensed food processors, intensifying anti-hoarding operations and checking black marketing, reviewing price situation on a daily basis, creating buffer stock of 40,000 tons of pulses for future control on price rise. The centre has asked all state governments to take the subsidized imported pulses from MMTC and supply in their states to bring down the prices. The prices of pulses have risen unabated for past few months due to fall in domestic output owing to deficient monsoon and unseasonal rains. And the steps taken by the government will play an important role in combating the price rise.
This initiative by government is really a great sigh of relief for a common man during this festive season, whereby they can buy at least dal for 120 rupees per kg. With camera person Surendra, Arun Sharma, Doordarshan News.